Do you ever feel like you read a book and then completely forget what it was about? I used to struggle with that a lot, but then I found this super easy system to get track of everything I read, and today I want to share it with you. Hi guys, my name is Akemi, welcome back to my channel. Without further ado, let's begin with this video. So whenever I read a book, I follow a color coding system for my highlights. I use yellow for key ideas and quotes, green for anything I want to check out later, like books and movies, websites that are mentioned in the book, and pink for anything I want to do after reading, stuff I would like to implement. Then after I finish the book, I head over to Notion. Of course, you can use your preferred platform, and I jot down the title of the book, the author, and give it a star rating. Now for the summary. If I'm feeling lazy, like honestly most of the time, I just ask Gemini AI to summarize the book for me and then paste it to Notion. And of course then I do a quick once over and make any changes that need to be made. Next I go through all my highlights and keep only the essential ones. It's like a highlight detox. I transcribe the main ideas, which are the yellow highlights, under quotes, subtitle. Then the things I want to do after reading under an actions subtitle. And for the green highlights, I add them to my to watch or to read list. Finally, I write a quick little review about how the book made me feel and add some thoughts and reflections. And that's it. It's simple enough that I can actually stick to it. I've been using it for a year now and haven't missed a single book review since then. Of course, you can add more elements to this method, but keep in mind that the more items that you add, the more complex the system gets, and the more difficult it will become for you to be consistent with it, which is the important thing. I even use this method for movies. It's even simpler because you don't have to deal with the highlight revision phase. Just add the title, director, your rating, a quick summary, and your thoughts. Let me know in the comments if this method will work for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you on the next one!